I have just about 2 million followers on TikTok and make over $10,000 a month just from my page. If you're watching this video, you probably already know about TikTok and how it works, so I won't bore you with all the details. So I'm gonna get right into it. How can you start making money on TikTok? The cool thing is, the ways I'm gonna be sharing in today's video, many people think you have to show your face or be attractive or make dancing videos in order to make money on TikTok. I'm here to say that's not the case at all, because I don't dance.
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Faris, and like I said, I make over $10,000 a month just from my TikTok page alone. So I think I have some knowledge on what I'll be talking about in today's video. But before I do, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I make videos all about money, finance, entrepreneurship, all that good stuff. So do your boy a favor and subscribe. Also, you can check out my TikTok page, which I'll leave down in the description box below. So there are 6 key ways you can make money on TikTok, and I'll be sharing the exact ways you guys can start doing just that. So make sure you guys watch the whole video through so you guys don't miss out on any crucial steps. To make this video more simpler, I'm going to be splitting it up into 2 different sections. The first part is how you can make money if you want to show your face and create videos like how I do, or if you already have a following, how you can monetize from it. And the second part is, let's say you don't want to do all that and you want to be the person behind the scenes but still capitalize on this huge opportunity. I'll put a timestamp right over here or right over here where you can skip to in that video. Or if you want to be a cool kid and help your boy out with the watch time, you can watch the whole video. So starting off with section 1, obviously the number one thing is you're gonna have to start posting videos. There's no way around it. But before you start posting videos, think of a niche you're interested in. You'll see why in a little bit, why having a niche before you start posting your videos is very crucial. Now, this is where a lot of people go wrong. They go out and just start posting videos on whatever they want, not having a proper guideline. What you should do is make videos around cooking, shopping, fitness, finance, whatever interests you, and you know you won't get tired or bored of making videos around that topic. So let's say you start posting videos and start building a following. The first way you can make money on TikTok is through brand deals. Now, this is where the bulk of your money will most likely be made. TikTok is a new platform and many creators and brands don't know exactly how it works, so that's where you can use it to your advantage. Now, remember when I said it's super important to have a niche before you start making your videos? The reason is because when you start reaching out to brands or brands start to reach out to you, they want to promote their service or product to their target audience. So for example, if a fitness brand wants to promote something, they'll most likely look for people who make videos about fitness because they'll have their target audience. So let's say you have a fitness page and a brand reaches out to you. You have something what people in the business world call leverage. They want your audience. So what you can do is charge them a premium because you know you have their target audience, and a lot of people will be converting when they see those ads on your videos because they like fitness as well. Now, whereas let's say you don't have a niche and you post whatever you want, unless you have tens of millions of followers, you pretty much have no leverage because you don't know how many people would convert, because you don't know what type of people are interested in your content. Now, remember when I said not everyone knows how TikTok works? That's mainly for creators. There are so many people amassing large amount of followers and getting hit up by brands to promote them, but creators don't know how to price themselves correctly. People can have hundreds of thousands of followers and only charging brands $100 or maybe even $200. If you're a creator, you have to know what your audience is worth. Now, there are a whole bunch of metrics you can use by finding out how much to charge for a brand, but what I suggest is always quoting them a price you feel hesitant on even sending, where you think they won't even reply back. Now, obviously, don't go crazy. Know your audience and what they are asking for. But worst case is they'll reply back with a lower number, but that lower number will always be higher than what you were initially going to quote them. The amount of money you make from brand deals vary from your niche, the brand, and how many followers you have, but I would say if you have anywhere in between 0 to 100,000 followers, you can probably charge a couple $100s for a brand deal. If you have 100k to 500k followers, you can maybe charge close to 1,000, 500k to 1,000,000 followers, a little over $1,000, and if you have over 1 million followers, you can look to charge a couple $1,000s per post. The second way to make money through TikTok is the creator fund. Now, this is not the best way of making money through TikTok, but it's still something. And I assume a lot of people already know about this, but for those of you that don't, TikTok allocated $1 billion to pay its creators, which is a lot of money, but there's a couple requirements you must meet first. First, you need to either live in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy, 18 years old, at least 10,000 followers, and at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days. Now, let's say you do meet all these requirements, the payout isn't the best. Well, let me show you. TikTok pays about 2 to 4 cents per every 1,000 views. So let's say you get 1,000,000 views in a month, which is very good. If you do 1 million divided by 1,000 and then multiply that by, let's say, 3 cents, that's just $30, which is not bad, but it's not the best. But it is definitely some extra money for you to have every single month for just posting like you normally would. Now, there are some rumors rumors about the creator fund, but that's a topic for another video. I'm also going to be grouping donations into this. If you have a loyal following or love to stay connected with your followers, you can go live and then they can ask you questions or see whatever you're doing, and they'll give you donations which you can then cash out for money. Now, although you can make money from it, it takes a lot out of your time to go live and answer all these questions and show people what you're doing into your day-to-day life. And you need to have a pretty loyal following to make substantial money, because obviously you don't want to go on your live and say,
"Donate to me, I want your money."
You want your followers to do it willingly. The third way to make money through TikTok is by affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is pretty much promoting another brand or service, and anytime someone buys through your link, you get a percentage of that sale. So a great way to make money from this is by using a service called Beacons or Linktree. I'll leave a link to the one I use down below, but what you can do is put multiple links within one main link. So I make videos about finance. So for me, I have affiliates ranging from like taxes, stocks, finances, budgeting, whatever it may be. And anytime someone clicks that links and sign up, so I might get like $50 per person or whatever amount we agreed upon. So if you make videos about fitness, you can put links to brands or supplements that you use that could help a lot of people. Let's say you make other types of content, see what helps you and that you know could help other people, and they will sign up when they see your videos. Some ways to generate traffic to those links is anytime you post a video, you can comment saying, check out this company, link in bio, or anytime you post a video, you can mention it in there as well. Or if you don't want to talk about it in your videos or make a comment about it, you can just leave the link in your bio and write something catchy like "what changed my life." If they end up liking what they see and they buy something, that's money for you. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money passively without doing much work. I probably make a couple $1,000s a month from all my affiliate links located through all my social media pages, and the best part is I don't have to worry about anything. I just have to worry about sending traffic. Now, that pretty much wraps up the ways you can make money by creating content. So let's go over how to make money without creating content and showing your face. The first way is by flipping TikTok accounts. Now, I don't personally recommend you doing this, but it is a way you can start making money on TikTok. You can build up a TikTok page, build a following, and sell them. I honestly don't see the point in doing this because you spend so much time coming up with content ideas, posting videos, replying to comments, and all for you just to sell it, when rather you can just make money with those accounts by doing the things I talked about in the beginning of this video. The second way is by becoming a manager for influencers' ad campaigns. Like I said, there are so many people getting big on TikTok, and with that, brands want to start working with them, or the creators want to start working with these brands. But the thing is, the creators don't have any experience and don't know how to price their services. That's where you can come in and help them. You can be the middleman between them and the brands. You facilitate all the agreements, managing the parties, making sure the deliverables are met on time, just being the coordinator, and you can charge a fee for doing all that. You can take a percentage of the contract amount between the creator and the brand for facilitating that deal. Now, TikTok already has an influencer campaign page built in where brands can actually reach out to the creators themselves individually, but the thing is they have to go through TikTok, and you best believe TikTok is taking a percentage of that as well. So if you can find these brands and charge them a lower rate compared to TikTok, they'll obviously choose you over them. And the best part of this method is it's a win-win for both parties. The brand finds a creator, and the creator gets all the work done for them, and all they have to do is create the content, which is what they do best. And all you have to do is handle the logistics, and you can charge anywhere in between 10 to 30% of the deal amount. So let's say it's a $1,000 brand deal and you keep 25%, that's $250. And let's say the creator does 4 deals a month, that's $1,000 a month for you, which is some great extra money. Coming in at number 3 is selling products on TikTok. Now, I personally haven't done this, but I have seen some great results from other people. Now, what you do is create an online store, probably a drop shipping store, which would work best, list some great products, and use TikTok ads to promote your store. From what people have shown me, TikTok has some crazy returns with their ad platform. Especially if you get a winning product, you are guaranteed to make some money. If you want to know what products are going to do best, well, the best way to find out is by actually using the app and scrolling through it. You'll come across some products that are going viral and have a lot of buzz, and if you can be the first one to market it and promote it using TikTok ads, you'll get some crazy sales. And finally, the fourth way to make money on TikTok without showing your face is by becoming a manager for creators. Becoming a manager will mean you will be helping a creator with pretty much everything: brand deals, content creation, public relations, everything. Yes, it will be a lot of work, but managers can keep almost 30% of all content creators' revenue. So if a creator is making $10,000, maybe $20,000 a month, you can be keeping about $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Now, I don't want you to think you're just going to be making that money by doing nothing and scamming these creators. The truth is you're going to be doing a lot of work. Think of it like this: if it wasn't for you, that creator wouldn't be making that $10,000 or $20,000 a month. So that 30% or whatever percentage you guys agree upon, that's your cut for helping them get that amount of money. The key is to find up and coming creators that you think will have a lot of potential in the future but just aren't big yet. By doing this, you aren't going to have to deal with other managers also hitting them up, because if you go for the big creators, chances are they already have managers or they already get hit up by a lot of them. So finding small creators with a lot of potential can help you out a lot in the long run. But these were just some ways you can start making money on TikTok. Now, it has a lot of potential and anyone can really start making money on it. Like I talked about in this video, you have plenty of options to start from. Think of TikTok like Instagram when it first got started out. There were a lot of people who made good money on Instagram during those early days. That's TikTok right now. So if you could take advantage of the early days of TikTok right now, you can be setting yourself up for a great future. Also, if you guys plan on buying crypto, I suggest checking out crypto.com. They're the #1 place to buy crypto. They have all the top cryptos you guys would ever want to buy. So if you guys are interested, check them out by clicking the link in the description box below. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.